Hey everyone, today we are checking out the Quntis monitor light bar, a premium lighting solution for your workspace. This light bar is priced between 8,000 to 9,000 rupees, and for that price, it comes with some impressive features. In this video, I'll be focusing on unboxing, setup and how to use it with a laptop. I'll do a detailed review after a few weeks of usage, so if you are watching this later, check the description or iCards for that video. Let's have a look at the packaging. The box itself looks quite premium. Now let's break the seal and check what's inside. Right on the top we get some paperwork including brand information cards and an instruction manual. Next there are small compartments with extra accessories, and in the center we have the monitor light bar. It feels quite heavy, which gives a premium feel. One great feature is that it comes with a USB Type-C slot, making it easy to connect using any existing Type-C cable if you misplace the original one. At the bottom, there is a weighted holder that helps keep the light bar securely attached to the monitor without any movement. Plus, you can adjust it as per your needs. Inside the box, we also get a light controller, which I'll show you how to use it in a moment. Honestly, it looks a bit like a mini Alexa. Additionally, they have provided extra attachments to fit different monitor sizes. We also get a long Type-C to Type-A connector for easy setup. The batteries are already included in the package, which is great. To insert them, just press the concave cutout on the back and the panel pops open thanks to built-in magnets, a nice touch. There is no power button on the light bar, just connect it to your monitor or even a power bank and it starts working seamlessly. Now let's check out the controller functions. If you press the top side once, it gives a click feedback. It turns the light on or off. If you double press on the top after turning it on, it activates the automatic brightness adjustment sensor based on your ambient light. If you rotate the top side knob, it adjusts the color temperature from cool to warm. If you rotate the center knob, it increases or decreases the brightness. Also on the light bar, if you see this blue light indicator, if it is turned on, it means the automatic light sensor is active. Right now I don't have any external monitor to showcase, so I'm testing it on a 15.6-inch laptop. But here is the thing, should we use this light bar on a laptop? Honestly, it depends. If you ask me, I wouldn't recommend using it on a laptop. Why? Because laptop screens are much thinner compared to monitors, and over time the weight of the light bar could cause the screen to bend or even crack. But if your laptop has a sturdy hinge and a thick display, it might work fine. Now I want to answer why to use a monitor light bar. A monitor light bar is designed to, number one, it reduces the eye strain. It provides a balanced lighting to reduce the contrast between your bright screen and dark surroundings. Number two, it eliminates the glare. It directs the light downwards, preventing reflections on your screen. Number three, improved visibility. It is perfect for working in low light environments. Number four, it saves desk space. There is no need for an extra lamp if you are using this monitor light, and this attaches directly to your monitor, so it saves your desk space. Number 5, adjustable color temperature. You can customize it based on your needs and the time of the day. There is a lot more to talk about, but I'll be sharing my full review after a few weeks of usage, so stay tuned for that. If you're interested in this Quntis monitor light bar, I have provided the purchase link in the description. Feel free to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.